Good day, everyone. I am Nika Ara Amarala Amblianas from CLS1, and this is my oral examination in Seamanship 1. Today, I will discuss about the part of the ship. So first, we have the port side or the left side of the ship. Second, the starboard side or the right side part of the ship. So we have the forward side or the front side. Next, the after side or the rear side of the ship. This is the superstructure. It is the upward extension of an existing structures above baseline. This is an anchor. It is the made of metal attached to the ship. It is used to keep the ship in a place. Funnel. It is the smokestack of the ship. Stern, aftermost part of the ship. Propeller and rudder. Propeller helps ship propel, moves forward. So the rudder allows the ship steer itself to the right and to the left and right when it is in operation. Bulbous bow, it is the extension of hull just below the low waterline. Bow, the forward part of the hull of the ship. Deck, it is the permanent covering over the compartment. This is the hull, the extent below the waterline, cover and protect water from entering in. Lastly, the keel, a flat blade sticking down into the water from a sailboat bottom. That's really all. Thank you.